Good morning children. So here I am to explain you the question answers of lesson 16, that is control and coordination in living organism. So children, in this our first question is name the organs present in the nervous system of man. So nervous system of man comprises of following organ, that is brain, spinal cord, nerves and sense organ. Okay. The next one is what are efferent nerves. I told you children while explaining the lesson also there are two types of nerves, efferent and afferent. So those nerves which carry nerve impulses from brain to rest of the body parts are called efferent nerves. Understood children? Nerves which carry nerve impulses from brain and spinal cord to various parts of the body are called efferent nerves. And I taught you one more nerve, that is afferent nerves. Its work is to carry the impulses from various parts of the body to brain. Okay, understand the difference? The next one is tell the functions of nervous system. So the nervous system functions, the first organ of the nervous system is brain, and it controls functions like speech, hearing, touch, taste, smell, recognition, etc. The next one is spinal cord. So numerous nerves which are arises from the spinal cord reaches to all the parts of the body, and it keeps getting all the information whatever is happening in the body, so it about the process. Okay, so this is the work of spinal cord. The next one is nerves. Nerves are the main organ. In fact, we can say the nerves are the conductor. So it conduct message from various parts of the body to brain, and from brain to other parts of the body. Okay. The last one is sense organ. They absorb external stimuli. Okay. The next one is fourth question. Name a stimulus which you observe in your daily life. Watering of mouth at the sight of good food is a stimulus. What happens when suddenly thorn is picked? When suddenly thorn is picked, then the foot is automatically removed from the place. Pricking of thorn is a stimulus and removal of foot is response. The next and the very important question is what are endocrine glands? So beside the nervous system, there are some special glands in our body which have in control and coordination, and these are only called endocrine glands. Okay children? So what are hormones? This is very important. So chemicals secreted by endocrine glands are called hormones. They control the various activities by chemical coordination. Okay. So children, what are hormones? Hormones are playing very important role in the body. Because of hormones only various activities are taking place in the body, like when we feel sad, happy, or like other thing. Okay. So write the name and functions of the two plant hormone. The first one is auxin. It influences growth in plant. It is responsible for the growth in plant. And the second one is gibberellin, which influences flowering. The next one is question is how is chemical control and coordination done in living system? So chemical control and coordination in living system is done by endocrine gland, which is lying just beside the nervous system. Okay. The next one is what are the functions of efferent nerve? Earlier also we have learned the function of efferent nerve is to carry the message from brain to various parts of the body. So write the name and functions of plant hormone. Auxin, it influences growth. Gibberellin, it influences flowering. Cytokinin, it influences cell division, and cell division is very important. Because of cell division only everything grows in this world. Ascorbic acid stop growth after reaching the full size. Okay, the last one is why are endocrine glands called the ductless gland? The hormones secreted by endocrine glands are transported without the help of any duct, so that is why it is called ductless gland. So children, whatever hormones secreted by endocrine glands are transported here and there in our body without the help of any duct, that is why it is called ductless gland. So children, this is all about the explanation of question answers of lesson 16. Next day means Tuesday, you will be getting explanation of lesson 17's question answers. Till the time, thank you and study nicely.